Welcome to Seville, day 80 to 82. Seville was magnificent. Amazing. We loved the city and the weather. Highly recommended. You should visit Seville. That's all. The vlog is over. No kidding. Unless you're curious about why I said it, then please continue to watch the video. Seville is the birthplace of salsa. In 2018, Seville was the #1 destination to visit in the Lonely Planet Top 10 list. And this was our last stop of Spain travel. We took a 3 hours high-speed train from Madrid. The train ride to Seville was a pleasant experience. Our apartment was in the city center of Seville. Seville is certainly one of the most beloved places by visitors to Spain. Although today Moorish influence is architecturally most evident. Andalusia was occupied by Moors for about 800 years. It has been a cultural center for long before. The fertility of this land and its favorable climate with mild winters and about 3,000 hours of sun per year made the people in the back settle here. However, if you ever visited in August, where the temperature can arrive to some 47 degrees Celsius, perhaps you will deny to call it favorite. Anyway, later came the Romans, like almost any place in Europe. And two of their empires, Trajan and Hadrian, in fact was born here. History of Seville is long, and I'm not going to bore you with it. That's why you have internet. Instead, let's take a look at some photos. With this, we have finally finished our trip in Spain. Following photos are taken with Fuji X-T20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Across Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in Portugal. Hasta la vista.